Okay, here we go. Tipster don't do number 2. We went over number 1, and here's a few more things. Don't decide after you've gone under contract to probably start getting all the opinions of what you should be doing after you've gone under contract from family, friends, and coworkers, because once you start looking for a home, everybody's going to have an opinion. It can become overwhelming, and if it is important for you that somebody comes through the house with you to give you their opinion, the time to do that would be after. I'm sorry, I said that opposite. Before you ever go under contract, and probably even make an offer on the home. Because once you're under contract, you're under contract. Which also brings me to, you probably don't want to keep looking at new homes once you've gone under contract. People do that. It becomes overwhelming. You start going, oh my God, did I make the right decision? What about this? What about that? And you're under contract. This might sound funny, but in my 30 years, yes, I have had this happen. Please don't decide to get a divorce after you're under contract and before you close on the loan, because that will affect the loan. Even just separating would affect the loan. So this might be something we might need to do a little pre-planning on. Changing jobs would be another really good example. That may not be a deal killer, but depending on what you're doing, it could be. So another example would be if you are commissioned or bonused or work overtime in your current job that I have qualified you on. Changing jobs within the loan process could definitely be a deal killer based on the way we are required to count that information for you. This isn't really a bad thing, but we're going to hound you to do it, and that's going to be to take care of getting your homeowner's insurance. That we have to have that. We have to make sure that the premium that we're counting against you works, that it's going to be what we had made an upfront guess on, and that falls into tipster video number 1, which included, please take seriously whatever we tell you we need. One last thing to remember is you're going to probably need certified funds for closing. The closing title company or attorney, depending on whether you're closing in Florida or Georgia, will take care of supplying you with the wiring instructions, or it's also possible that you can bring a certified check. Most offices will not be able to accept any kind of a check above $1,000, and even some of them have their own rules. So some of them won't accept any checks, no matter how much it is. Check with me. Let's make sure that we're all on the right path prior to closing, so there's no hiccups at the closing table. I hope I've given you some good tips between video number 1 and video number 2. And I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to hopefully working with you on your next home purchase or refinance. You can call or text me at 404-786-5953, or find me at theperfectmortgagesolution.com. Bye.